The tragic collapse of an under-construction building in the Horamavu Agara area of Bengaluru on Tuesday has resulted in 8 confirmed deaths so far. The victims are Harman, Tripal, Muhammad Sahil, Satya Raju and Shankar. Additionally, 6 individuals have sustained injuries, 5 were admitted to Bengaluru North Hospital and 1 to Hosmet Hospital. 14 people have been successfully rescued from the debris. Rescue operations are ongoing but are being hindered by heavy rainfall. A dog squad has joined the rescue teams to help locate any remaining trapped individuals. At the time of the collapse, approximately 20 people were inside the building. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar visited the site on Tuesday night and stated that the building was being constructed illegally. He assured that strict action would be taken against those responsible. In a post on X, he mentioned, and I quote, "First, we will complete the rescue work and then a solution will be provided." He commended the efforts of the NDRF's SDRF rescue teams, fire brigade and police and confirmed that action would be taken against the owners of illegally constructed buildings in Bengaluru. Labour Minister Santosh Lad also visited the site. Due to severe weather conditions, the local administration has declared a holiday for schools and IT companies have also allowed employees to work from home. Waterlogging has disrupted daily life in several parts of the city. The building owned by Muniraja Reddy is currently under investigation. His son Bhuvan Reddy and contractor Muniyappa are in police custody facing multiple charges related to illegal construction under various laws, including sections 100, 105, 125A, 125B and 270 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, as well as sections 326, 327 and 328 of the BBMP Act and sections 3 of the RERA Act. The India Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert for the heavy rainfall throughout the day.
It is not quality work. That building is not made quality work. That is very important. See, give the message to him to all Bangalore developers. You do proper work in the buildings. So, not made quality. This type of incidents is happen. So that's what I'm telling. So please take care and give the good quality construction.